Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account on BC Ferries. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in ess.bcferries.com and press enter. This will now take you into the employee self-service portal for the BC Ferries. Now you will just need to type in your credentials. Enter the username that you have set while creating your account within the username section, and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your BC Ferries employee account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot username or password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account on BC Ferries. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.